All right, guys. So I had this idea. What if, guns on safe, what if you took the Helikon chest rig and used it as a placard? Technically, it's not made that way. It's not designed that way. But it doesn't mean you can't do it. So I got the JPC, Cryo Precision JPC plate carrier. And so I want to see if I could do this. So it's pretty simple. There's really nothing, no permanent modifications to it. I bought these clips I forgot what website. They're really cheap clips. They're the Condor clips that's basically going to make things vertical. You're going to take the actual chest rig off, and then as for the back part, you're just weaving the bottom portion through. There's nothing special in there. Just get that weaving through, or woven through. Go ahead and take your plate carrier, set it aside. You don't really need that no more. Now you have your chest rig back. I'm not doing no direct action. I may be just doing some patrol, some recon, walking through the woods, LARPing with my buddies, walking through mama's house as I'm trying to steal some cookies out of the refrigerator. Now once I get this last one done, I'm right back to where I started with before. I got my Helikon chest rig. Picking my rifle back up. Everything's situated. I'm ready to go. So that's it. That's all there is to it, to be able to attach this. Now, there's also no permanent modification to your original plate carrier, other than you're just attaching these clips, and of course they can be removed just as easily. So how well does this run together, and how well does it hold? Well, I ran some drills. They're not great drills, but I just kind of played around, having a little fun. Let's see how it worked. Hey guys, that was pretty fun. I sucked, but it was still fun. So who's going to benefit from this kind of setup? I mean, it's a cool setup. Is it going to be the guy who can afford a Spiritus Systems? Probably not. Is it going to be the guy who just wants one thing, and you know, he's not really worried about following the pack and what's the latest trend? He just wants one kit and it's just going to work, and after he gets it, he's done? That may be him. That may be me, actually. I bought this one on some advice. I've had it for about 3 years, and I want to keep using it. It attaches pretty comfortably to my JPC, and you know what? No, it's not the Gen 2 JPC, but it's still working just fine. And until then, I'm going to keep running this thing. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.